After a quick 3-hour flight, we've touched down in Orlando. Now it's time to locate Michael in this massive airport. Stay tuned to see where we find him.
Where's your dad at?
Where's our dad? He left for some meal.
Adeline, get over here. Stop window shopping. Keep up with your brother and sister. Let's go.
Oh, the very end.
Yeah. You gotta go to the very end.
Melissa, hold on to the pole. I see.
Hit the brakes.
Hit the brakes.
Oh, good job.
You should film us
We brought-
our dad.
Yeah. So we got the monkey and cheeseburger. What's the monkey's name? What's his
Gilbert.
name? Oh, Gilbert?
Yeah.
So Cheeseburger and Gilbert?
Cheeseburger, Cheeseburger.
Oh, Cheeseburger.
Well, she calls him Cheeseburger. I call him Cheeseburger. And Gilbert.
Oh,
Riley, look.
Woo! We're gonna go there.
We're gonna go there not
Woo!
like before it.
go down the escalators. Oh, there's the daddy.
Oh my gosh. Happy birthday, bro.
Did you give daddy hugs?
Yeah.
Miss you, daddy.
Give it to you later.
You didn't give him my.
Stop filming me. Stop filming me.